Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill again using a short story related to the use of simple past tense. Well, we use simple past tense to express an action or an activity which happened in the past. Well, the pattern of simple past tense is subject plus verb to on the second form of verb. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. Now, please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence. Carol Lee is talking about herself. Last year, I worked in an office, and now I work in a travel agency. Well, it's very short story, right? Now, please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence, and you can also try to memorize it and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Are you ready? Carol Lee is talking about herself. Last year, I worked in an office, and now I work in a travel agency. Alright, now please answer my questions. Where did Carolee work last year? Question number 2. Where does she work now? Now I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. Where did you work last year? Do you have a job now? Where do you work? Do you like your job? What time do you start work? And what time do you finish work? Alright, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching.